Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be potting on these penstemon seedlings. I've sprayed them twice with powdered mildew, as you can see here. Just get them out of here for you. Here we go. There's a tray. I'm going to be putting them in. There's 2, 4, 6, 8. There's 40 there. So first of all, look at these. This is where it was the heat mat was left on without the thermostat, so it dried it out really quickly there, unfortunately. So they're all cream crackered, they're dead. So yeah, first of all, let's get this little thing set up, shall we? So we can film it. Put it onto the side. Sorry about this, everybody. If you can see this properly. Yeah, there we go. First of all, you want to get your compost. The peat-based compost, I bought this from the lady that runs my allotments, so I didn't have to have it delivered or anything. It's really good quality, nice crumbly texture, peat in it, it's also got some feed in it as well. So yeah, just spread it out like so. This doesn't matter if you make a mess. This is where I do all my potting on this top shelf, so all I do is clean it up once in a while, get rid of all the old compost. That's one lot. Let's get the lot in there, shall we? Yeah, these penstemons, I've always had a problem with them damping off, so I've sprayed them twice so far. It's really helped, made a massive difference in fact. So yeah, nearly done now. That's that done. So right, let's get a little dibber, shall we? Here we go. Bottom of a pen. So what you want to do is just get underneath and be gentle with these, like so. And then if you do touch them, do not use the top leaves, just use the bottom leaves. These are the first leaves that actually come out of the seed itself. So don't touch the true leaves, because they're what they use to photosynthesize and produce the energy from the light to process the food and the water. Right, I have pick that one out like so. Then get a lot more out to there, some more out, a little bit more out. That's nice. Yeah, right, here we go. So I've done one now, so just get dibber in there, get some out like so. You want to be gentle with these. That's in penstemon. There's a damping off is a major thing with these. Use my fingers because my dipper's not really good enough. In there like so. Do a few more of these. I know you don't want to see me doing all of these, but this is a peat-based compost, if you need to know. Peat-based compost, and it also has 6 weeks worth of feed in it. When they get established, I shall start feeding them probably a liquid tomato feed. Yeah, I do like using liquid tomato feed. I said use the bottom leaf like so. I think you get good results with it. But yeah, I've grown these other years. First year I ever grew these, I had some really good results. I might have some videos about it somewhere, and they were really good. More by chance than good luck or judgment. And since then, every time I tried to grow them, they've damped off. So this time I thought, right, spray them. If I kill them, I kill them. If they survive, they survive, and I'm gonna some good results. So I shall just pause the video. Next time you see me, I'll have just about finished potting these on. Right, nearly done now. Just a couple more to do. Just by magic, straight to the end. So just get these nice, healthy looking seedlings in. It's just potting on this. If you've got any questions regarding anything that I do, please just leave a comment and I'll get straight back to you. Don't mind at all. Something to do. So yeah, just 2 more to get in there. Yeah, these looking well. I shall water these in well today, and then I shall take them from underneath the lights, stick them on the top shelf where they are now, just in the corner, and hopefully we'll have some nice penstemons this year. Touch wood. Yeah, once I have watered them in and left them a couple of days, I shall spray them for against powdery mildew and that, because I don't want to put all this trouble in them damp off, because I would be devastated then. Because this is the best year I've had yet for growing these. So yeah, like I said, growing them from seed. It's my penstemons. All I do now is I give them water with my little hose watering can. That's H-A-W-S, not in hose like in women of the night, ladies of the night, not that kind of hose. But yeah, give them a quick water on the top. I think I might have missed one here. No. Yeah, give them a quick water like that. And then we shall put them over into my tray. I shall leave them for probably an hour or so, just to soak everything up, and then I shall put them, I think they'll fit back under here. Yeah, in the back there. I should put them in the back there on the heat mat. So yeah, that's how to grow penstemon from seed. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the video, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching. Please keep safe.